I'm Mukember Ahmetovna Tashpolatova. I'm responsible to deliver this lesson for electromechanical faculty students on of third year. And the theme of our lesson is Japanese bullet train. What kind of train is bullet train? Let's introduce ourselves with new vocabulary. What kind of words are here presented? For example, bullet, скоростной, пуленепроницаемый поезд, тяжелый, отмаз поезд, capable, способный, layoqatli, considerable, значительный, sezilarli, current, текущий, современный, jari, hozirgi, counterpart, копия, двойник, o'xshash, duplikat, chassis, chassis, pantograph, ensure, обеспечивать, ta'minlab, kafolatlar bermoq, reduction, сокращение, reduction, сокращение, kamaytirish, qisqartirish, alloy, splash, qotishma, alloy, yana ma'nosini fe'l sifatida весить, взвешивать, tarozida tortmoq, device, устройство, прибор, qurilma, loyiha yoki mexanizm, wear, iznos, yedirilish, ishdan chiqish, abrasion, istirание, ссадина, ishqalanish, qirilgan joy, trolley, telежка, tramvay, aravacha, vagoncha. Let's listen to the text. Japanese bullet train. In 1973, the Japanese National Railway completed a new bullet train capable of running at 260 km per hour. The train consists of 16 carriages. The new model is considerably more powerful than its current counterparts. The output of the electric motors of this new model installed on every other carriage is 275 km each as compared with the 185 km output of the motors in the conventional unit. Shinkansen, the name of the line, are driven not by a single giant engine, as many people imagine, but a number of electric motors mounted on every other of the carriages forming a train. Improvements have also been made on the chassis and a pantograph in order to ensure safety during high-speed runs. Another technological innovation made to increase the speed of the train is the reduction of its weight. The carriages currently in the operation are made of welded steel and each weigh about 10.5 tons. The new model, however, is made of light alloy and weighed only 7.5 tons. Technical improvements have also been made on the train to ensure safe operation in extremely cold and snowy regions. In order to ensure safe operation on the Shinkansen, the Japanese national railway, regularly runs two types of test cars on the line to check electric and track facilities for any sign of trouble. The Japanese National Railway has developed unequipped test vehicles which do the work of the electric and track test cars simultaneously. Consisting of 7 carriages, the testing train has a maximum speed of 210 km/h. All the carriages are equipped with complex measuring instruments capable of checking all the required joints, points of the electric facilities and tracks. Another innovation said to be the first ever developed in the world is a high efficiency device installed in the new testing train, which is able to measure the wear and abrasion of the trolley lines while the car is traveling at a high speed. You see that words, including the text, are very complexly, and we should translate this text and I will help you and work on vocabulary. For this, there were many exercises. For example, match words with their definitions. You see, is given the word, in front of this word is another definition of another word, but you should read carefully and find appropriate definition. Next exercise is translate. Translate sentences paying attention to the highlighted words. For example, first sentence. In 1973, the Japanese National Railway completed a new bullet train capable of running at 260 km/h. The train consists of 16 carriages. Bir ming to'qqiz yuz yetmishinchi yilda Yaponiya milliy temir yo'li yangi tezyurar 260 km/soatga yuradigan tezyurar o'q o'tmas poyezdni tugatdi. Poyezd 16 vagondan iborat. Marhamat, sizlar ham shu gaplarni tarjima qilasiz. Considerably, значительно, ya'ni sezilarli, ulkan. Output, ya'ni tashqi imkoniyati. Conventional unit, ya'ni oddiy tuzilma. Chassis and pantograph, shassi va pantograflar. Safety, nima bo'ladi? Xavfsizlik. Technological innovation, texnologik yangilik. Reduction of its weight, uning og'irligining kamayishi. Valdovskiy payvandlangan po'lat. Light load yengil qorishma yoki yengil qochishma. Electric and track facilities elektrik va yo'lning yengilliklari are equipped ta'minlangan, jihozlangan. You should try and make sentences with these words: innovation, bullet train, giant engine, track facility, new model, high speed. These words we have seen in the exercise before. Yeah? Next exercise. Read and translate following sentences paying attention to the tense form of the predicate in the passive voice. You know, we have introduced ourselves with the passive. What kind of category of verb is passive? Passive bu majhullik nisbati. Stradательный залог. Bunda nima muhim edi? Demak, ish harakat va ish harakatni yo'naltirilgan odam yoki predmet. Masalan, I teach you. Endi you are taught by me. Qani hammamiz bittadan gap o'ylaymiz. Active voice'da va keyin uni passive voice'ga aylantiramiz. Chunki bu o'tilgan tema sizlarda. We have taken this tense. Okay? Well, next exercise. Read and translate the following sentence, paying attention to the tense form of predicate in the passive voice. For general questions and special questions to the underlined words. You know what kind of questions are special questions and what kind of questions are general questions. Sizlar bilasizlar qanaqa savollar, so'roq so'zsiz savollar, qanaqa savollar, maxsus savollar yoki umumiy savollar va maxsus savollar. Maxsus savollarni qanaqa tuzardik? Albatta, so'roq so'zlar bilan. So'roq so'zlarni qaytaramiz. Who, what, where, when, why, which, what kind, how often. Okay. Well, you should read this text and then compose general and special questions. Okay. This is your homework. Thank you for your attention. Our lesson is over. You should repeat everything and read the text. Of course, you should learn by heart new words, new terms, and do all your best by doing all your exercises. Thank you very much. Goodbye. Our lesson is over.